Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss life and ideas of George Bataille. Early life and career. George Bataille, born in 1897, initially faced an unpromising academic start. He trained as a librarian at the École des Chartes, obtaining a position at the Bibliothèque Nationale in Paris in 1922, which he held for 2 decades until resigning in 1942 due to ill health. His intellectual journey took a significant turn in 1924 when he met Michel Leiris and began his association with the Surrealist movement. This marked the beginning of a profound influence on his work and thoughts. Association with Surrealism and early writings. Bataille's early engagement with Surrealism led to the founding of the Revue Documents in 1929, focusing on art, ethnography, and psychoanalysis. His contributions were often disturbing and obsessional, causing friction with André Breton, the leader of Parisian Surrealism. This period also saw Bataille's anti-Stalinist Marxism and involvement with the political group Contre-Attaque in 1935. However, by the mid-1930s, Nietzsche's influence began to overshadow Marx, leading Bataille to explore the sacred and primitive societies through the Collège de Sociologie and the Secret Society SFL. Heterology and the concept of expenditure. Bataille's fascination with what he termed heterology, the study of everything excessive or unassimilable by official social forms, was significantly influenced by Marcel Maus's work, The Gift. Bataille's 1933 essay, The Notion of Expenditure, articulated his belief that human life is driven by glorious expenditure rather than prudent conservation. This idea became the cornerstone of his investigations into various fields, including art, literature, politics, ethnology, archaeology, philosophy, theology, sexuality, psychology, and economics. Key works and themes. The Story of the Eye, 1928. This pornographic fable is celebrated for its conjoining of bodily and textual perversity admired by Roland Barthes. Inner Experience, 1943. Bataille explores a form of mystical self-abasement that diverges from traditional paths to salvation or enlightenment. Eroticism, 1957. This work gathers evidence of the close association between sexuality, violence, and death, particularly in practices involving bodily extremity. Literature and Evil, 1957. Bataille examines amoral intensity in the works of Emily Bronte, William Blake, and Marquis de Sade and Jean Genet. The Accursed Share, 1949. This ambitious work argues that the principle of expenditure governs the astrobiological economics of the cosmos, exemplified by the sun's ceaseless prodigality. Influence on contemporary thought. Bataille's impact on later philosophy and cultural theory is profound and far-reaching. Marxism and libidinal politics. Bataille's uneasy relationship with Marxism anticipated the libidinal politics of theorists like Jean-François Lyotard, Gilles Deleuze, and Félix Guattari. Nietzsche and post-structuralism. Bataille's interest in Nietzsche influenced Michel Foucault, particularly in the principle of transgression and the affirmation of limitless existence. Economic theories and consumer society. Jean Baudrillard's analysis of value in consumer society draws on Bataille's economic writings. Psychoanalysis. Bataille's critique of Freudian psychoanalysis has been influential in the works of Jacques Lacan and Julia Kristeva, especially Kristeva's exploration of the abject. Deconstruction. Jacques Derrida's essay on Bataille in Writing and Difference highlights Bataille's challenge to Hegelian reason and its assimilation of negativity, resonating with Derrida's concept of deconstruction. Conclusion. Georges Bataille's work remains a cornerstone in understanding the interplay between excess, transgression, and the sacred in modern thought. His influence extends across various fields and continues to inspire and challenge contemporary philosophy and cultural theory. This exploration of boundaries of reason, the body, and societal norms offers a unique and enduring perspective on the human condition. So this was the discussion on the life and ideas of Georges Bataille. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.